Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Nexora channel, where learning English becomes simple and enjoyable. How are you today? I am Michael, and today I am here with Sarah. We are going to talk about I fell asleep during an online meeting.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to be here with Michael today. Let's start their conversation.
Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi Michael, I am doing very well. How about you?
I'm doing great today, but I have a funny story to share.
Really? What happened?
It happened a few months ago. I fell asleep during an online meeting.
No way!
Yes way.
That sounds embarrassing.
It was incredibly embarrassing.
Tell us the story.
It happened on a Wednesday morning.
Were you working from home?
Yes, I was.
Did you have many meetings that day?
Several, actually.
Was this an important one?
Very important.
What was it about?
A new project at work.
So what went wrong?
The night before was the real problem.
Why?
I stayed up really late.
Doing what?
Watching videos online.
How late did you stay up?
Almost 2 in the morning.
That's very late.
I know.
Did you realize you had an important meeting the next day?
Yes, but I figured I'd be fine.
Were you?
Not at all.
What happened the next morning?
My alarm went off.
Did you get up right away?
No.
Really?
I hit snooze 3 times.
That's not a good sign.
Definitely not.
Were you tired?
Exhausted.
Did you eat breakfast?
Just a small one.
Did you have coffee?
Yes.
Did it help?
Only a little.
Then what?
I turned on my computer.
Were you ready for work?
I was trying to be.
What time did the meeting start?
9 o'clock.
Did you join on time?
Yes.
Good.
At first, everything felt normal.
How many people were on the call?
About 10.
Was your manager there?
Yes.
Did everyone have their cameras on?
Most people did.
What about you?
Mine was on too.
That sounds risky.
I didn't think so at the time.
What happened during the meeting?
People started discussing the project.
Were you listening?
I was trying to.
Were you feeling sleepy?
Extremely sleepy.
Did you try anything to stay awake?
Yes.
Like what?
I drink more coffee.
Did that help?
Not really.
What else did you try?
I stood up for a minute.
Did that help?
Only briefly.
Then what?
I sat back down.
And?
My eyes started closing.
Oh no.
That was exactly the problem.
Did you realize how tired you were?
Yes, but I thought I could push through it.
Were you wrong?
Very wrong.
What were the others doing?
Discussing ideas.
Were you taking notes?
I tried to.
Tried to?
Yes, my notes turned into a mess.
That's funny.
Not yet, it isn't.
What happened next?
My head started feeling heavy.
Did you notice?
Yes.
Did you do anything about it?
I splashed some water on my face.
Good idea.
It helped for a few minutes.
Then what?
I sat back down.
Were you still tired?
Even more than before.
That sounds bad.
It was.
Could your coworkers see you?
Yes.
Were you worried about that?
A little.
What happened next?
I looked at the screen.
And?
The voices started sounding farther away.
Really?
Yes.
Did you know what was happening?
Deep down, yes.
Then what?
My eyes closed for a moment.
Just a moment?
That's what I thought.
But?
It was much longer than a moment.
Oh no.
When I opened my eyes, something felt very different.
What do you mean?
Everyone was looking at me.
That doesn't sound good.
It definitely wasn't.
What had happened while you were out?
The answer shocked me once I figured it out.
Now you have to tell me.
I looked at my screen and saw everyone completely silent.
That sounds strange.
It was.
What did you do?
I looked around, trying to piece together what was going on.
Did anyone say anything?
Not at first.
Then what happened?
My manager finally spoke.
What did he say?
He said, "Welcome back, Michael."
Oh no.
Exactly.
So you knew right then.
Immediately.
You'd fallen asleep.
Right in the middle of the meeting.
How long were you out?
About 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes.
That's a long time in a meeting.
It felt even longer.
What happened while you were asleep?
My manager had asked me a question.
Did you answer?
No.
Why not?
Because I was asleep.
Right, of course.
Then he asked again.
Did anyone try to wake you up?
A coworker called my name.
Did you hear it?
Not at all.
Wow.
Then another coworker tried too.
And?
Still nothing.
That's funny.
Everyone actually thought my internet had frozen.
Really?
Yes.
Then what happened?
Someone noticed my eyes were closed.
That's when they figured it out.
Exactly.
What did your manager do?
He just waited.
Just waited?
Yes.
Then you woke up?
Suddenly.
What woke you up?
My head dropped forward.
Oh dear.
It startled me awake.
I can imagine.
I opened my eyes and saw everyone staring at me.
That must have been mortifying.
Extremely.
What did you say?
Sorry, everyone.
Good start.
Then I apologized again just to be safe.
What was your manager's reaction?
He smiled.
Really?
Yes.
Was he angry?
No.
That's lucky.
Very lucky.
What did he say?
He asked if I was feeling okay.
That was kind of him.
It was.
What did you tell him?
The truth, that I'd stayed up too late the night before.
Good. Honesty's always best.
I didn't want to make excuses.
I agree.
Then he gave me some advice.
What kind of advice?
He said sleep matters more than people think.
That's true.
He said work can wait, but health can't.
That's a good way to put it.
I thought so too.
Did the meeting continue?
Yes.
Were you awake for the rest of it?
Wide awake.
I'm not surprised.
I was too embarrassed to feel sleepy anymore.
That makes sense.
I paid attention to every single word after that.
Did your coworkers tease you later?
A little.
What did they say?
One asked if the meeting made a good bedtime story.
That's funny.
Another asked if I had a nice nap.
How did you respond?
I just laughed.
That's probably the best response.
I think so too.
Did anyone tease you in a mean way?
No.
Good.
Everyone was friendly about it.
What lesson did you take from it?
That sleep is genuinely important.
I agree.
I also learned to prepare properly for important meetings.
How do you prepare now?
I go to bed earlier.
Smart.
And I avoid watching videos late at night.
Really?
Most of the time, at least.
That's a big improvement.
It's helped a lot.
Have you fallen asleep in a meeting since then?
Never.
Not even once?
Not once.
That's great.
I learned my lesson the hard way.
Sometimes those are the lessons that really stick.
Very true.
Looking back now, how do you feel about that day?
Honestly, I laugh when I think about it.
Really?
Yes.
Even though it was so embarrassing?
Yes, because everything turned out fine in the end.
That's good.
It became a funny memory instead.
I love stories like that.
Me too.
Thank you for sharing it with us.
Thank you for listening.
Now we have a question for our listeners. Have you ever felt very sleepy during school, work, or a meeting?
What happened? Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your stories.
And if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting English Nexora.
Your support helps us create more English learning content.
We truly appreciate it.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.